This program is unique in many ways. One of the most important unique opportunities that I would say the program provides is really to be able to work with the best faculty in the world in their own fields. Cornell is an extremely broad and deep university. It has pretty much every major that is important for systems work.
My PhD actually is in systems engineering, and what I do is build large-scale mathematical models of big systems. So one project I'm focused on right now is looking at evacuation in the face of hurricanes. When do you tell people to go? Which ones do you tell to go with an evolving threat over time? Another heavily systems engineering problem.
I would say that the most important type of systems research that we do here is focused on global challenges. There is a lot of research being done at Cornell in that area. We have people in transportation. We have people like me in space systems trying to figure out how constellations of satellites can help with that. So I think that's pretty unique to Cornell.